What's up, Super Truckers? It's my day off today. Not so much for a day off, but due to some latest events, I just thought it's gonna be a good video to make because apparently all of you know everything trucking. People don't know jack shit. So, how many of you know? I mean, the driver and some of the office stuff as well. How does the trucking insurance work? Does any of you know? Because I'm kind of sick and tired to deal with that. It sucks. It sucks to be me. It sucks to be me. Let me ask you a question. If you are an owner-operator running with your tractor using company's trailer, and you get into huge accident, do you know how the insurance works? And what is your responsibility in this? Do you know? Half of you don't. The other half, you suckers know. You're just playing dumb. So, basically, let me tell you. Most of the time in trucking, there is only, let me rephrase. Trucking insurance, it's not just your, liability, auto liability and physical damage insurance for your car, right? It's not just that. Everything is split, everything is separated. So, for example, the trailer that you're hauling has one type of physical damage insurance and then, liability insurance. That could be two different insurances. Then the cargo that's in the trailer, that's a cargo insurance. Then auto liability insurance. Then general liability insurance. Then you may have your bobtail physical damage, or you may use your company's physical damage for your bobtail, or you may not have it, and then goodbye your truck, goodbye. There is also a non-trucking liability insurance. So how many did I just mention, Super Truckers? The bobtail, non-trucking liability, trailer physical damage, trailer liability, auto liability, general liability, and cargo. That's 7 different insurances that you guys carry at almost any given moment in time. So, here's the deal. Let's say you are driving empty with just a trailer. You hit 2 cars and some construction equipment. You punch a couple holes in the trailer, big ones. You can literally get through one, even if you're 300 pounds. So you have a couple of holes in the trailer, then you have couple of cars, the construction equipment. What do you think is your liability in terms of financial liability in this whole ordeal? What do you think is gonna happen? Half of you just said, oh, it's $1,000 deductible. then that's it. No. No, 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 no. Think again. Think again. The bare minimum, if there was nothing else involved, you got yourself 2 claims. Claim number 1, physical damage insurance for the trailer that you're pulling. That has $1,000 deductible or more, depends. Then the auto liability insurance. That sucker of 2 cars and that construction equipment, that's another at least $1,000 in deductible or more. Now, let's imagine you have a cargo in that trailer and it was raining when all that shit happened. What do you think is gonna happen next? Half of you just said $1,000 deductible. No. Now you got yourself trailer physical damage insurance, auto liability insurance, and cargo insurance. Because it's raining, you have a huge hole in the trailer or 2 where the 300-pound can get through, and those rolls of paper are now freaking wet. So, what's your financial liability in this? Somebody who said $3,000 is right about correct. And that goes for every piece of insurance added to this whole ordeal. So your average total of the trailer equipment and cargo may end up in, $3,000-4,000 of liabilities, financial liabilities for you as a driver, or owner operator. So now, my friend, you know everything about trucking insurance. Congratulations. And take care.